Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and in today's video, we're checking out TOZO's new Open EarRing wireless earbuds, an innovative take on open ear audio tech. And we're gonna be unboxing these earbuds. We're gonna go through the setup process and explore the specs that make these stand out. I'll also show you how to wear and pair them with a mobile device, and we'll explore the TOZO mobile app and all of its features. And real quick, before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all of the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's get started. So I want to thank TOZO for sending me these earbuds. I've never used any of their products, but I've seen them all over social media and YouTube. So when they asked me to review these EarRing earbuds, I was super excited. Okay, so out of the box, we have the user manual. There's a lot of good info in here. I highly recommend checking it out whenever you have some extra time. And then I don't see this too often, but they also have a physical quick start guide. This cuts through a lot of the fluff and gets straight to the point when showing you how to set everything up. Super cool and helpful. All right, next, the packaging is light and compact, which I appreciate. We only have two things in here. First is the USB charging cable. Now, this is a USB-C to USB-A cable, so if you're using a MacBook Pro like I am in this video, you'll either need to use an adapter or use another USB-C cable, but either way, not a big deal. Then moving on to the earbuds, and they come inside the charging case, which is solid plastic but feels super sturdy. I love the sleek look and feel to it as well. It's nice, lightweight design and super convenient for traveling or if you're on the go. This definitely won't take up a lot of space. Okay, then taking a closer look at the charging case, on the back we have a USB-C port for the charging cable as well as the reset button. It's that little circle there. You'll press that button only if one earbud isn't working, just FYI. Then moving to the front of the case, we have the sleek LED screen, which you'll see turn on in just a bit. And then inside, when you open the case, is where the earbuds sit and charge. Now, since this is the very first time I'm using them, I'll need to remove the magnet protector, but you'll just simply peel those off and the earbuds can now properly connect to the case and charge. And you'll notice that when you place them in the charging case, the LED screen lights up and you can see the charging case battery level as well as the earbuds battery level. One thing to keep in mind though is that this screen only stays on for 5 seconds, so you gotta be quick when looking at it. Okay, next let me show you my setup and how I charge these earbuds. So, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm using a MacBook Pro to charge these earbuds, but this means that the charging cable that came with them won't work because it's a USB-C to USB-A cable, and my MacBook Pro only has USB-C ports. So due to this, I needed to use an adapter. Now, not a big deal. All you'll need to do is connect the adapter to a USB-C-A side of the cable, and voila, we have a USB-C cable. Now, you could also just use a USB-C cable, but either way, this works too. All right, then all you'll do next is plug the cable into the port on the back of the charging case like so. And then plug the other end of the cable into your device, which in this case is my MacBook Pro. And when I do, you'll see the LED screen light up and we are at 100% battery life. Perfect. Okay, next, let me show you how to wear these earbuds. So, taking a closer look at them, you'll see that they each have two parts, a charger and a speaker. The speaker is kind of hard to see, but it's on the smaller round part of the earbud, and that's the part that will face your ear canal. Now, this was the first time I've ever worn earbuds like this. Traditionally, I've used ones that you stick somewhat inside the ear canal, but these are different. You place the speaker hole side of the earbud almost outside of the ear canal. It basically rests in your ear, and the little speakers play audio into your ear canal. And on that note, let me show you how to wear them. Okay, so we're gonna get up close and personal for a second here, but all you'll do is place the smaller round speaker side of the earbud on the outside of your ear like so. It kind of rests at the bottom of your ear, but it's still super comfortable and looks good in my opinion. And then if I face the camera, you could see why they're called earrings, but I like the look and it feels great too. All right, next let's go over how to pair these earbuds to a mobile device. Now, not shown here, but once you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will turn on automatically and will connect to each other in 10 seconds. And then there will also be a small white light flashing on each earbud when they're trying to pair. And then to officially pair them, you'll simply open your Bluetooth settings on your mobile device, which is what we have here, and then find the pairing name TOZO Open EarRing and select it. And this pairs the earbuds to your phone, and you could start using them wirelessly with your mobile device. Another way to pair the earbuds is with the TOZO mobile app. Now, I've already downloaded it to my iPhone, but it's free, and all you have to do is create a free account, and you can add your earbuds to the app and connect them here. And in a few seconds, they're paired with your phone via the app, but you can do a lot more within the app. First, you can monitor the battery life of the earbuds here. Then if you click on this little section below, this gives you the ability to actually configure the EQ settings, giving you a ton of control over your audio experience based on what you're listening to. This kind of blew me away when I first saw it, and I gotta say that after testing it and using it, I was thoroughly impressed. Then we aren't gonna go through the entire app in this video, but there are a ton more features that you can explore here to get the most out of the app and your TOZO EarRing earbuds. Alright, so all in all, I was really impressed with TOZO's new EarRing earbuds. Like I said, I've never worn anything like this, but the audio quality, comfort, the ability to work with the app, and the price, which is only $49.99, sold me on these, and I have no problem recommending them. And if you want to purchase your own pair, I would greatly appreciate it if you used my affiliate link, blogwithben.com/TOZO, and I'll put that link in the video description below. And I'll only earn a commission if you decide to make a purchase, but doing so helps me create more content like this, and you get some pretty sweet earbuds. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.